Mele Kalikimaka on the ukulele in the key of F is what we're going to do right now. You guys probably know Mele Kalikimaka is not really Hawaiian language. That is the Hawaiian accent saying Merry Christmas and how they would spell it because they have 12 letters in their alphabet. Anyway, that's another story. Let's learn and play. Well, we're going to play it. There's another video for learning it. You can click that below if you're not sure. Really fun song covered by, it's a Hapa song. It's an American song, but it's about Hawaii. It's a Christmas song, so not too many Christmas songs in Hawaii itself. But this is called Mele Kalikimaka, and let's do it. Here's the notation. I'll tell you how to get this later, as well as this track. Let's play it down. You can follow along. We're going to go through twice, and then we're going to triple up on the ending vamp before we end it. You'll get it. Let's go. Let's go. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars by night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas to you. Let's go again. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars by night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas, to say Merry Christmas, to say Merry Christmas to you. Yeah, all right. How'd you guys do? I was kind of hanging in there. You know what? The B flat chord is a little challenging when you don't have a strap on, but it's okay. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, so if you want to get the notation, that notation, as well as the track that you just heard, go here, patreon.com/Kalani, pick it up, and if it's around the holidays and you want to try to win an ukulele, join the Ukulele Holiday Challenge, and you can see how to do that below. Get the link, hit the subscribe button before you click away. Thanks for being here, you guys. As somebody who has Hawaiian heritage, I do appreciate the Hawaiian-ness brought into the ukulele experience, and it's another fun holiday song. People love this song. It's a really cute song. Yeah, Bing Crosby. Go check it out. All right. Comments below, thumbs up. Connect with me on patreon.com/Kalani, and enjoy playing Mele Kalikimaka.